How to fix USB keyboard volume keys not working on Windows 11. To fix USB keyboard volume keys not working on Windows 11, try 1. Restarting your computer. 2. Using another USB port, or using a different USB keyboard. 3. Updating or installing any missing device driver via the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Restart the HitServe service via Windows Task Manager, and set Human Interface Device Service in services.msc to run automatically.
Thank you.